In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a job at Costco. To do this, just gonna search for Costco careers and then click on Costco careers right here. From there, it will redirect you to right here. Now from here, you can just go and click on apply now and then click visit external link. Then here you can apply to a specific position or apply to a location near you. Now if you select a specific position, then here you can choose what kind of a position, such as logistics, contact center, e-commerce, or any of the other ones. Now I'll just go for a location near me. So then here choose which state you are in and then which city and enter your zip code. And from there it will then show available jobs for you and locations near you. And you can then see how much they pay and any other details that you may want to know. And then from there you can then go and apply for that job at Costco. So now you know how to apply for a Costco job online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.